Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a quick simple video on how to do the borders on the invitation, but I'm going to start with something simple and then I'll make a video with something more complex like my vintage styles. So this one's just going to have the flowers in the corners with the lines like the one that I did the first video, which was the rose in the corners and then the lines. So that's what I'll be doing. Hola Leah. Benny, hi. So here's Leah. Say hi. So that's what I'm going to do on today's video. There's just a little part that I forgot to, well, I didn't forget. The video just kind of stopped there when I was recording. So you're going to attach the entire project. Once the project is complete, we attach it and then we put draw in the pen setting. It's going to say pen and draw and then whatever color you want. I highlighted on, I did it on pink just so that you guys could see the details on the flowers and the little lines, but that's it. So let's get started with the video. Bye. God bless y'all. Okay, so let's grab our Google page and search for the image that we're looking for. I'm looking for something floral, so I'm searching for free floral clip art black and white. And then I stumbled upon this super beautiful design, so I'm going to press on it and visit the website, which is free pick. And then I'm just reading over this little source. So I press on the image that I want and I'm going to see the requirements because you have to give attribute to the designer. So it says create content takes a lot of time and effort, which is why we ask you to provide a link to attribute the source where you will be using the image. For example, social media, blogs, etc. So that's where I copy the link and I'm going to put it down on my YouTube video to give them the props for the design because it's so beautiful. Then we go, I'm just making sure we have the right image. We go and press download and we press free download. Here I'm just waiting for the file to download and I'm going to extract it into my phone. Sure, I have it in my gallery. Now I'm gonna open a Cricut design space page and I'm going to clear what I don't want. So we're going to be using this big part. And then I'm just going to clear the little leftover leaves that were cut off by the background remover. Making sure my design looks a little bit clean. And there you go, I'm done. I'm going to head over and save it under sample 2. And then let's get started with our project. Okay, go into shapes and open up your square and put 5.01 by 7.01. I always do this because sometimes the acrylics come a little bit bigger than the size and this is always working for me. So now we're just duplicating the design and turning it over horizontally and the other side so that we could go ahead and have it on each corner. Then search for a line under your images here in Cricut. I don't even know why that popped out, but I'm sorry. Because if you get the line from shapes, you're gonna have those little score lines, and even though you switch it, for some reason mine wasn't going solid. So I went under image and found one. Now here I'm just making sure that the little line goes well into the corner tip of that little leaf. And I'm going to do the same, and that line has to be 4.57. Then I'm duplicating it and putting 2.5 for the corner top and turning on my smart guide because that's my little tip to make sure everything is straight and clean. Just make sure those little corners are always touching because if you do the design, you don't want the square line, like we're doing a kind of square type of thing, for it not to be overlapped or for it not to be like uneven where you could see the little gap. And we're done. I just put it on pink so that you guys could see the design a little bit clearer. Press make it and ready. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for our next video. See you soon. Bye. God bless you.